Hello people, this experiment is an example of a very cool reaction. I'm going to mix ammonium chloride and barium hydroxide and see what happens in terms of temperature. Hopefully this is going to work, so I'm going to put a tiny bit of water on this block of wood here. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay, now you can also see the surface tension of water, amazing. So here is my ammonium chloride. Okay, I'm just going to measure the temperature of my ammonium chloride at the beginning of the reaction. Okay, so before it starts, it's at room temperature. Oh, you can't really see this. Let's move. It's about 16 degrees Celsius. Okay, today is a cold day. 16 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to mix barium chloride, which is another solid, and give it a good stir and see what happens. Okay, so right now I'm touching my beaker. Both of them are at 16 degrees. I should have measured the other chemical as well. I didn't. My bad, I apologize. But you have to trust me. It is about room temperature, 16 degrees as well. Okay. I'm stirring. You can't see much happening yet, but I can tell you by holding this beaker that it is becoming really cold. So it's cooling down. Reaction is happening. You can see a slight change of texture while the reaction is taking place. It's almost turning into a liquid. I'm going to keep on stirring. Go on, stir it. You can see it looks like a weird paste dough now. It's almost liquid. Okay, wow, it's still happening. So I'm going to stop touching the bottom because it's becoming a bit too cold. Even. I'm going to keep on stirring. Okay, I'm going to leave it rest for a second. I think I'm done with my stirring. Had enough. Okay, so hopefully, yes, it did work. Look at that. It's lifting the block of wood. Okay, and that is because it became so cold that the water that I put at the beginning had turned into ice, and I stuck the beaker to the block of wood. If I put my temperature probe inside of it now, can you see this? I've reached a temperature of minus 20, wow, 21.4. Okay, where's the camera? I'm just going to show you just to make sure. You have to believe me. It is minus, there's a minus there, minus 28 degrees. Okay, it is extremely cold. Can I see? Oh, I can't see the ice really. I can't zoom in, but you have to trust me. I just froze the ice that was between the water, that was between the block of wood and the beaker. Okay, so this is a perfect example of an endothermic reaction. Okay, it has taken heat from the surrounding, between the water and the beaker, okay, making them a lot cooler than they were at the beginning. Minus 29.3 degrees. Okay, this is an example of an endothermic reaction. Ammonium chloride, barium hydroxide. Remember those when you're back at school? You can ask your teacher to demonstrate it to you. Okay, this is it for me, guys. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.